Hello, how are you? This video is too much important for graphic designing because in this video I will describe all the panel of colors, gradients, swatches, each and everything. So let's get started. First, I told you the history of colors. In 1979, there are many colors show in Swedish national color standard by the SIS mean Swedish Standard Institute. The natural color system was described in an atlas containing 1412 colors, 1412 colors. But in 1984, 118 color more add in this. Then now total color 1530. You can assume these how much colors in the world. But some author says about the colors. There are 12 main colors, some says there are 7, there are 9. They have other opinions. So first there are 12 main colors: red, orange, yellow, green, spring green, cyan, blue, violet, magenta and rose, and so on. So see this in Adobe Illustrator. I am showing swatches panel, color panel, and also gradient panel. These are three panels. We can use the colors in these. So this is color panel, this is gradient panel, and this is swatches panel. There are three main points that are used in graphic designing: RGB, SGB, and CMYK. CMYK is used for printed form. If you want a flex like advertisement in a street, on the road, if you want, then HSB and RGB is used for online working. RGB mean red, green and blue, and HSB HUS saturation and B mean brightness. And CMYK C cyan, M magenta, Y yellow and K mean black. K is the key, so they K black. This is the simple introduction. So if you don't show this panel in this, so just go to window and check here: color panel, swatches panel and gradient panel. Shortcut key control F9, just F6, and swatches press here. So I am here adjust these. Yes, I make here a simple thing like this one, simple color in stroke black, and main color is the white, and I change here, you can see. So this is a swatches panel. You can change the color from here. This is the gradient panel. This is again color panel, and even you can change more colors from here. And if I am here RGB, and you can see the result. This is a simple color, and I am going to add gradient. This is just simple gradient. Left side is white and right side is black. So I am change here, you can see the result. And I also change this, you can see the also result. So I am going here another color. Just click on it and you see the color panel is just white and black. Just go to CMYK, RGB, HSB, whatever you want. So I am going to here and drag here and change the color. So just red, and here black side is yes, this is light red and this is dark red. And if you want to change the direction of your gradient, just click on it and you see the line changing of this, and you can see, and you do this and you can see the also result, and you can see. And if you want to drag a direct line, just shift press and change this. Yes, I press shift and this is the direct line. And if I am here yellow, and this one is yes, and if you want to rotate this, just this one and you can see the result. And this is the simple color, and I am going to add a gradient like red, red, and red. Here is the so if I make a copy of this, just press Alt and make a copy. So here just giving yellow color and change into stock, and so I give stock 0.5, you can see, and I am delete this, just direct selection tool and click on it and delete this. I did not use the pen tool because I use the pen tool, so these points are combined automatically. So I did not do this. So just direct selection tool and do this. And here I am going to make a copy of it. Just press Alt and take a copy and rotate this. Yes, I am combining here. So just giving the dark color of it is, and of the stock. And you can see, yes, this one. So I am going to gradient this, just this one, and here, so center this one, and now I am going to put here, and you can see upside light coming and downside light down in the side. So if I increase the size, Yes, you can see upside light coming and downside light going inside. And I give you one more example. So just rotate this, and now you can see this is the inside. And I make it a copy, go to object, copy and paste in front, and change the, yes, now you can see the difference, light coming, light down. So here light is going inside, here light is going outside. You can see the difference. This is the main difference of light coming and light. And now I am going to show more gradient panels. Just click on gradient, and here yes, this one is gradient, linear gradient. And here I add the one more color like this one. And yes, and now you can see here I am going to add light. Yes, this one. So this is the radial gradient. I am going to back again. Just delete this. Let's make something. Just take ellipse tool and with shift and take a copy and press shift and reduce the size and adjust here and with all make a copy and just and shape builder tool, just do this one. Now we are going to setting this. Yes, just double click on it, and you can see must be global it, and just okay, and you can see the option of this, and same here. So I am giving the gradient, yes, in this side, this one, and with alt make a more point, in points and in lines, and here I am going to points and just I am going to adding a points. Yes, you can see in this, and you can drag this and reduce the size and same thing here is this one, and here this one, here this one is light color. Yes, yes, now we adjust the light, and even I can change this. Yes, now edit this, just gradient and edit gradient and points, and you can add more points. So we delete the center point, center circle, just this one. Yes, just copy and paste in place and change the position with. Yes, in this edit gradients points, and here is the, just black it. So here is light coming and here is light going. So we stop here. Subscribe my channel and thank you.